since yesterday the one sometimes slow. This is the official debut. It's official. Today is the official day of 128 debuting the 4 C801B. I have a very good feeling that 137, 136 are also out. So we don't have just one pair, but two pairs, two different sets. Couple. I can find really great.
Doors closing. Next station, Teck Whye.
Yep, as you can see again, it's 136 and 137. Like I said, not one, two sets. Two C801Bs.
Teck Whye.
Ta-da! There comes. That is 137 and 136. Which they are running service A. This is service B. So I already can tell it's direct. Confirm with one side going for service B while the other one goes for service A. That's today's pattern. They might rotate, depends, but mainly it's just going to stick for this sometimes. Mostly, alright, peace off. Here's a recording video. Make sure you credit me before I start you up. You will never.
Next station, Phoenix.
Better credit me for my work. My pet was low. Credit me or else I will make sure you don't ride this new train C138 in your life again.